Article 210.13 Ground Fault Protection of Equipment. Each branch circuit disconnecting means rated 1000 amperes or more and installed on solidly grounded YY electrical systems of more than 150 volts to ground, but not exceeding 1000 volts phase to phase, shall be provided with ground fault protection of equipment in accordance with 230.95. Informational note, see 507.17 for requirements on buildings that contain healthcare occupancies. Exception. Number 1. This section shall not apply to a disconnecting means for a continuous industrial process where a non-orderly shutdown will introduce additional or increased hazards. Exception. Number 2. This section shall not apply if ground fault protection of equipment is provided on the supply side of the branch circuit and on the load side of any transformer supplying the branch circuit.